सो हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिस न्यू वीडियो। और यार इस वीडियो से एक नई सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ कॉल्ड स्टार्टअप इनसाइट्स। इस वीडियो सीरीज में मैं अलग अलग स्टार्टअप मेंबर्स के साथ उनकी एक पॉडकास्ट अपलोड करूँगा जिनमें कि हम उनकी कंपनी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। हाउ डिड दे स्टार्ट इट, व्हाट वर द इनिशियल डिफिकल्टीज, हाउ डिड दे मैनेज द फाइनेंसेस, what was their company like in past, present situation, present aspects, some future aspects, scope in the related field in future and many more things. सो इस वीडियो सीरीज का यार ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है और आज हमारे साथ है राज अंदानी सर। ही इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ अ कंपनी कॉल्ड स्पेक्ट्रम यूटेक्टिक्स and he is a BTech in chemical engineering from ICT Mumbai, and he did his masters from Michigan University. So now without wasting any further time, let's jump to the podcast. Hello Raj sir, how are you?
I'm good. How about you? Thanks for having me here, Karan.
And I'm always great, and it's a pleasure to have you here. It's the first video of the Startup Insight
pleasure's
series,
all
and
mine.
you are with us.
Oh, I'm the first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
तो सर सबसे पहले
Okay.
तो ये जानना, अगर शॉर्ट में आप बता सके आपकी जो कंपनी है स्टार्टअप यूटेक्टिक्स, वो करती क्या है, व्हाट डज इट डू?
Okay. Well, basically, I'm a chemical engineer. So you get the idea why we entered into this. So technology for the chemical engineers is more towards chemicals.
Yes.
And so Spectrum Eutectics is actually into manufacturing of chemicals. Give you a brief of it. Spectrum में हम जो PCMs बनाते हैं, they are known as phase change materials.
Okay.
These are used to maintain temperatures where temperature control is very necessary.
Okay.
So like say you want to transport your ice cream from place A to place B, या फिर जैसे naturals वाला आपके यहाँ तक आइसक्रीम लेके आता है from its factory in Mumbai.
Right.
So it may need to store the ice cream at minus 20 degrees Celsius for the entire journey.
Right.
So they use our chemicals as a thermal energy storage solution.
Okay.
And that's what we do. And जैसे ice creams की बात हुई वैसे vaccines भी है, and then there are other materials as well which need to have a constant temperature profile.
Okay.
Where PCMs could be of good use.
Okay. सर तो ये सिर्फ मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स में यूज होता है कि आप मशीन्स के टेम्परेचर भी उस स्केल पे हो सकता है?
It can be used for anything. So it can be even used to cool, say, your PC, which heats up
Right.
all of an instant कि ओवर पावर के कारण हीट अप होता है, तो उसको टेम्परेचर लो रखने के लिए PCMs could be of use.
Okay.
Trying to get into it, but देखते कहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं.
Okay sir. So we'll see the products in details
Yeah.
later. तो अगर अभी हम स्टार्टिंग पे जाए,
Okay.
when you started the company, so when did you start your company, and like what was the reason behind it? Like was there an void about that in the society, or it was already that but you thought it could be done better?
Right. So well, it started almost 4 years ago in October 2016. Yeah.
Okay.
And so I had just completed my master's from Michigan Technological University, and I had plans to move back. I didn't want to stay there. And it was business that excited me the most. So when I came back to India, I had some other plans which didn't work out, but came to know about the PCMs, and I'd already worked with PCMs during my college days, so I knew a bit or two about it, and the theory was there, so I had to develop more on it.
Right.
No particular reason, but when I actually saw the potential and the need of PCMs, I saw a huge gap कि जरूरत है और जो अभी स्टेज है उसमें बहुत गैप है. So a whole lot of applications that we could go through. So said okay, let's jump into it, and we started with something very simple. जैसे समझ लीजिए computers की बात कर रहे हैं कि उसमें भी use हो सकता है. Do not jump into those applications जो hi-fi है. So we started with something very basic जो running था. so it helps with the finances as well. We can be more sustainable business rather than just steroid based infusing funds just like the other startups do. So we wanted to be more practical and more business friendly.
ओके राइट सर, तो
Yeah.
ये नाम कहाँ से मिला, मतलब स्पेक्ट्रम यूटेक्टिक्स, एनी स्पेशल रीजन?
Sure. Spectrum, basically, when I started the company, I was already working on different projects.
Right.
And that's when I realized that even if I start with PCMs, I wouldn't be limiting myself to it.
Right.
So Spectrum, in the sense, covering the entire range,
Right.
could be anything. So could be in food processing, could be in clean energy that we are doing as of now with PCMs,
Right.
or could be anything.
Right.
So that's why we came with Spectrum. And Eutectics is the name that I like. It's the word that I came to know when I was researching PCM. Eutectic actually means an amalgam, a mixture of different materials which
Right.
are very homogeneous, and they melt and they behave as if they are just one. So say आज मैंने PCMs का business किया है, and if I do some food processing, I want all of these things to
Okay.
be homogeneous and reflective of the values and that
Okay.
we're trying to create at Spectrum.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So a chemical engineer would understand better the meaning.
Maybe, or maybe anybody who can Google stuff,
Yes, sir. That's
सब लिखा हुआ रहता है online.
Okay, sir. So
Right.
जो स्टार्टिंग में आपने स्टार्ट किया था तब कितना, सर वन मोर थिंग आई वांटेड टू ऐड, या लाइक आपने इंटर्नशिप या जॉब
Please.
एक्सपीरियंस किया था इसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले?
I didn't specifically intern for the project that I got into. In terms of internship, I did college से जो internship होता है for 2 months
Right.
at Hindustan Organic Chemicals Limited. That was from the Institute
After third
of
year.
Chemical Technology itself. Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And so very catchy situation there कि सब बोलते कि experience होना चाहिए,
Right, sir.
and सब बोलते कि business start करने में late नहीं होना चाहिए,
Right.
and there are several learnings that you get to learn when you start a business.
Right.
I said कि चलो I'll be very comfortable if I fail at certain aspects. जैसे
Right,
समझ
sir.
लो a business encompasses research, operations, marketing and sales, and accounting and all those things.
Right.
मुझे accounting का कुछ नहीं पता था, marketing was
Right,
very
sir.
new to me,
Right.
but I was very comfortable कि मैं जैसे fail होऊंगा, I'll keep learning, I'll
Right,
keep
sir.
reiterating it, and
Right,
I'll
sir.
learn from people who've been successful. So
Right.
that's what I thought कि maybe experience same field में नहीं मिलेगा, तो चलो उसी में करते हैं,
Right,
and
sir.
we'll learn as we fail. So
Right.
that was very helpful to me कि to start early उसमें help मिली. And like there are people who I've learned a lot from. There are friends of mine who did marketing jobs. So I asked them कि तुम लोग marketing कैसे करते हो? What is the style that you follow?
Right, sir.
So like Warren Buffett says it, you need to learn from mistakes, but not necessarily from your own mistakes.
Right, sir.
Right? So that's what I try to follow. कि चलो किसी और ने कुछ तो किया ही है. Somebody is doing marketing that I know of. Somebody is run a business who's already doing it successfully.
Yes, sir.
किसी ने R&D अच्छे से किया है. I learn from all of those guys.
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
गलतियां होगी. I've had to pay fines because I wasn't good with the accounting.
Yes,
But
sir.
then things have been good after that. एक बार गलती हो गया, मार पड़ गया, फिर सब सही है.
And it's like it's same with every technical background person. Like initially after graduating, we do not have much about marketing, accounting, all this.
Right. Reid Hoffman says this as you do not build a plane and then fly off.
Yes.
In business or as an entrepreneur, you jump off a cliff and then build the plane while you're diving.
Okay. Yes.
Something similar happened with us as well. कि चलो कूद गए. We didn't have any like business was always that I wanted to do. So I
Okay.
jumped right in. I just literally took a dive.
Right. सर, तो अभी जो ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं आफ्टर इंजीनियरिंग एंड हु वांट टू गो आउट फॉर स्टार्टअप्स, लाइक आप सजेस्ट करेंगे
Yeah.
कि जॉब एक्सपीरियंस ले 1 or 2 year एंड देन जंप, और
I think सबका comfort level अलग अलग रहता
राइट
है. I was very comfortable कि 10 लोग मुझे आके बोले कि यार you're doing it the wrong way, तुम
राइट
गलत कर रहे हो. And I was always कि इसमें से सीखने को मिल रहा है ना, maybe I'm doing it wrong, I'll
यस
accept
राइट
it. And I was open to hearing the opinions right from the beginning.
राइट सर
So if somebody is comfortable with that attitude, so I suggest you can just jump in. You don't have to wait for experience. और समझ लो कि you get an experience from say company X. Do you
राइट
think that's all that you'll need for your entire career as a businessman?
नो
No, you'll be
डेफिनेटली
learning as you build it, right?
राइट सर
And while we are young, it's very I believe it's very comfortable to make mistakes.
राइट सर
कि चलता है एटीट्यूड बचपन में ज्यादा रहता है. एंड व्हेन यू बिकम मोर एंड मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल तब इतना आसानी से नहीं होता है.
राइट सर
बट सबका कंफर्ट लेवल अलग है, सो मेक श्योर यू आर मेकिंग द राइट चॉइस.
यस सर ओके तो सर आपने जब स्टार्ट की थी बिफोर 4 इयर्स तो लाइक तब कितने प्रोडक्ट्स थे लाइक योर सर्विसेज और
राइट. सो लाइक इनिशियल रिसर्च पहले किया. वी
राइट
लॉन्च द कंपनी and then we went to get the testing done by one of our potential clients. And
ओके
then we found out we had 0 successful products and 1 failed product.
ओके सर राइट
So when we launched with the actual product, हमें पता चला कि that's not even the quality that the clients expect.
ओके सर
And so company launch हो गया and I am like staring at just 0.
नो क्लाइंट्स
So we no clients, and
राइट
even the potential clients that we had approached were like your material is not good enough.
राइट सर
So and it was always something that touched me कि कुछ कर रहे हो तो make sure that लोग जानते हैं आपको. Maybe because of the product, maybe because of its price or something, but कुछ होना चाहिए आपका selling point, USP. So for 2 weeks I remember I was constantly iterating and doing research. Like I used to stay awake till 3 in the night, sub research, experimenting with all like Eutectics, the PCMs that we do, they are based on several compositions. और उसमें precision बहुत important था. So iterations इतने होते थे. I used to wake up at 7-8ish, फिर reading करता था. And 10-11 ko I would start trying to gather the raw materials that I needed. And then 12 o'clock को testing शुरू हो जाते थे, and they used to continue throughout the night. 2-3 बज जाते थे. I did that for 2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
And like the clients were already कि हो गया क्या, and I didn't want to miss it out क्योंकि
Yes,
कोई
sir.
अच्छे से respond कर रहा है तो you want to deliver as well.
Yes, sir.
And after 2 weeks we got the result and we came out with one successful product for minus 26 degrees Celsius.
Okay, sir.
Was very happy, and I still remember those moments.
Yes. So it was used for what, sir? Minus 26 degrees?
Cold chain logistics, precisely. So the ice cream trucks that I was talking about,
Right.
that's how they were used. If you don't mind, I could.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if you want, I could show you some pictures that I have got on LinkedIn, which are very depictive, like visuals है, तो आसानी से समझ में भी आ जाएगा what I'm talking about.
Sure, sir.
In a minute.
Yes, sir.
Right there. Right. Right. This is the one. So basically, what you see here is for PCM of minus 23 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
But the industry had made it a norm back then, like 4 years ago, that they wanted to use minus 26 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So what you see here is a refrigeration system. You must have seen these on the roads quite frequently कि
Yes.
Monginis का आता है या किसी और like छाछ वाला or whatever.
Yes, sir.
And they have these installations for refrigeration system which they work on, and
Okay.
then they use our PCMs. This is
Okay.
our material,
Right,
and
sir.
they put on the top, on the ceiling of the container, and on the front side.
Okay.
It's basically our clients who do the installation. We just provide them with this material, and so when it's actually in service, like the truck, this is what they do. Like say 8 hours, जब वो उनका shade पे rest कर रहा है,
Right, sir.
they just plug it in, and the refrigeration system gets to work, and our chemicals, they start storing thermal energy. So
Okay,
they, basically they start freezing,
Right.
and जैसे ही freeze हो जाते हैं after 8 hours, so they're out for delivery. And so for 10, 14 or 18 hours, depending on how much quantity they add,
Okay.
वो अंदर का temperature -26 maintain करता है.
All right.
Now they've jumped to -23, so we had to make certain changes to our chemicals as well. So we are dealing with -23 degrees Celsius PCM more now.
Okay. Right, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, so initially जब आपने start किया था ये, तो how did you manage the finances?
I always had this, you know, gut feeling कि if I do something, I wanted to do it on my own,
Right, sir.
and not with, you know, like कि connections
Right.
and with the help of family.
Right.
So like I still remember this incident when I was told by a certain person from my village,
Okay.
कि it's easy for you, and I was like, why? So I had got good scores in JEE
Right, sir.
advanced. Back then it was JEE only for us.
IIT, right?
IIT JEE, right?
Right.
So I had got good scores, and he was like, "Oh, आपके लिए आसान है." I was like, "Why?" He's like, "पापा के पास सब है, so you can get admissions, na?" I'm like,
Right.
"No, I actually had to work for 2 years." So he was still not, you know, कि मान नहीं रहे थे. I was like, "Yeah, is this what people think of me?" And I wanted to make sure कि people don't believe
Right,
कि I could make it as a successful person because of my family backing.
Right, sir.
And I wanted to let them know कि मेरी family ने जो सिखाया है, the values that they've inculcated in me,
Right.
that are the prime most ingredients needed for success, and
Right,
not
sir.
those materialistic.
Yes, sir.
So with what I did is I was a teaching assistant at Michigan Technological University for my last year.
Right.
For my last semester, sorry.
Right.
So I had made savings. I was very conjuice, you can say. So I used to save all the money, not spend on it, no
Right, sir.
partying, no silly stuff.
Okay.
So with all those savings, I came back.
Right, sir.
I made sure कि capital investment जितना minimize हो जाए. So I didn't
Okay.
get the place पूरा.
Right.
I rented out a premise that I could find for a cheaper price.
Right, sir.
And started with something. कुछ necessary investment थे तो वो करने पड़े, and I
Right.
could manage with the saving.
Right.
Yes.
Do you regret that
So,
last semester?
yeah. This semester?
You said you were not partying, enjoying.
What makes you think so?
No, just asking, because in college, no, we have the thinking that these days are once they are gone, they are gone. They are college life is not coming back. So just I asked.
See,
Or that is only till bachelor's.
there's a logical. नहीं, संघर्ष तो रहता ही है, and
Yes, sir, right.
I had read Agnipath already, so even read it once in a while कि जब down feel होता है, Agnipath. So even then I knew कि if you want to make it as a someone, you need to work hard.
Right, sir.
So I accepted my fate कि maybe I'll be giving up on certain aspects
Yes,
कि
sir.
मैं ये नहीं enjoy कर रहा हूँ. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा enjoy नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Right,
My
right.
bachelor like undergraduate days were like more towards sports and
Yes,
you
sir.
know friends, but during my masters I was more studious and more serious. So, but no regrets.
Okay, sir.
It was a phase that was necessary in life.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So like just wanted to ask one more question in between. Like आप
Yeah.
जो कॉलेज में हमें सिखाया जाता है इन बैचलर्स और इन मास्टर्स, especially I'm talking about India.
Mhm.
Like many people
Uh-huh.
say it's not that helpful, you need to have practical knowledge, but what is your viewpoint on that? और अभी आपकी कंपनी में भी आपको कितना हेल्प करता है?
I would say I actually was a tutor for the undergraduate students in Michigan Technological University as well.
Okay, sir.
But here's my viewpoint. Uh, what I know about the Indian education system for the undergraduation,
Right.
that is yeah, you're right in those matters कि practical इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है,
Right, sir.
but the theory
Mhm.
जो आपको broad vision देता है,
Okay.
I can say firmly कि इतना कहीं नहीं होता है, and
Okay,
that
sir.
is very necessary. क्योंकि अंडर ग्रेजुएशन में you don't know what you want to be. There are few people who already
Right.
know it, but most of the others they don't know कि क्या करना है.
Right, right.
तो जब ब्रॉड विजन रहता है ना, तो
Right.
यू नो कि जब तुम चॉइस करते हो ना, तो यू
Right.
कंसिडर्ड ऑल दी ऑप्शंस और एज मेनी पॉसिबल
As
ऑप्शंस
possible.
एज यू कैन.
Right.
जबकि यूएस में कैसा था, दे कैन स्ट्रीमलाइन यू, आपको फोकस डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ाते हैं, एंड
Okay.
प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत मिलता है.
Right.
बट आई बिलीव कि एक ब्रॉड विजन जरूरी है,
Right,
एंड
sir.
देन मे बी आप फोकस नैरो करते जाओ. सो दोनों के अलग अलग फायदे हैं, बट
Right, sir.
डेफिनेटली अंडर ग्रेजुएशन में इंडिया 1, ऑल द रेस्ट 0.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
So some of the initial difficulties you faced जब अपनी कंपनी स्टार्ट करी, और how did you handle them?
सिंपल मोटो था,
Right.
one more round. So I remember there were days कि समझ लो product was okay, कि
Right.
approve हो गया है, but
Right.
still the clients didn't start purchasing it right
Right.
out. So the industry that I got into is very closed system, so they're not very open in trying out new parties,
Right.
manipulating certain products, doing this and that.
Right.
So बहुत hard था penetration, but
Right.
yeah. So every day when I used to come back home, all I used to focus on was कि did I do it right?
Right.
जो मेरे पास आज options थे, have I made the best use of it?
Right.
And एक अगर saying आती है कि yes, then I could sleep peacefully and okay, कल और fight मारनी है,
Right.
कल और fight मारनी है.
Right.
And for 2 years, sales were like next to 0.
Okay. Right.
But यही कि kept pushing, and
Right,
और
sir.
कोई option भी तो नहीं था. I wanted to do business, and I
Right.
already had a product in my hands, and if anything I was missing out on was marketing and sales. तो
Okay.
सीखना है, कहीं
Right.
और जाके भी करूंगा तो वो तो सीखना ही था. तो पता चल गया प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अब सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना है.
Right, sir. सर तो
Yeah.
फिर भी कुछ डिफिकल्टीज तो
So
आपने फेस की
the
हो स्टार्टिंग में?
persistence. Yeah, of course. 2 years जब आप बिना सेल्स के निकलते हो,
राइट सर.
तो आपको like ऐसा था कि I had a job option in the States. I was also offered a funded PhD
Okay. Right.
at my university, but I
Okay.
gave up all those options because I wanted to start business, and I didn't want to waste any time in getting into it.
राइट सर.
I'd come back. तो जब ये सब ऐसे बड़े डिसीजंस ले लिए हैं जिसके रिपरकशंस बहुत बड़े होते हैं,
राइट सर.
तो लोग आपको जज करते हैं 2 साल तक. You are not making sales.
Right.
And like I was self financed, so I was riding a bike. and people tell me, you were educated in USA? I'm like,
Right,
yes.
right.
and and they say कि यार देखो वो बिना पढ़े भी देखो कहाँ आगे निकल गया,
Yes,
and
right,
तुम अभी
right,
यहीं हो.
right,
And
right, right, right.
uh, there was certain, I don't know where I had read about it कि मेरे हाथ में नहीं है ना, I can't control his mentality,
Right, right,
but अंदर से मुझे पता है I have tried my best.
right,
And
sir.
जो उस दिन decisions लिए, sure
Right, right,
maybe इतना जल्दी उसके results नहीं मिल रहा, but I wanted to make sure कि मैं business India में ही करूँ. And
Right.
so this is it.
right, sir.
There was no other option. Did everything I could. That was, right.
Right, sir.
तो यही डिफिकल्टीज तो ये बहुत ज्यादा रहती थी कि people are judging and सब बोल रहे कि you are making wrong choices. You still need to change your field. You need
Right,
to
right.
focus on certain aspects. Get a job. You don't have a job and you are still getting into business. Nobody does it like that. तो वो सब सुन के भी काम रहना बहुत टफ था, बट एक ही चीज है, मौन रहना है, तो हो जाता था, कुछ नहीं बोलना है.
Right, sir.
एंड मे बी इसमें से सीखने को भी बहुत मिलता है.
Right, sir.
तो कि मे बी क्रिटिसिज्म में भी आप पॉजिटिवली ले सकते हो. आई वाज नॉट डेफ, बट आई वाज हियरिंग कि चलो बता रहे, तो मे बी आई एम मेकिंग सम मिस्टेक्स, मे बी सेल्स में सही नहीं हो रहा है, दैट्स व्हाट आई नो नाउ, चलो मैं सेल्स में फोकस करता हूँ.
Right, sir. Okay.
या
सर लाइक आपने बताया कि जब आपने स्टार्ट की थी तब पोटेंशियल इतना था और सप्लाई इतनी थी. डू यू सी द चेंज एट प्रेजेंट? राइट, अभी व्हाट इज द पोजीशन इन दैट फील्ड?
स्टिल PCMs इज वेरी न्यू. थर्मल एनर्जी स्टोरेज की मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ,
Right.
आप सोचो आपके घर में इतने सारे AC फैंस और ये सब लगे
Right.
हुए हैं, just to make sure कि you feel in a comfortable environment
Right, sir.
thermally.
Right.
But still there are days when you're complaining, अरे यार बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, अरे यार
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
ठंडी लग रही है.
Right, right.
And so I see a huge scope कि लोगों तक ये टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं पहुंची है.
Right. Okay.
What we thought of is कि directly making a moonshot is not the right way. थोड़ा sustainable बनना है, so make sure कि you are sustaining yourself in terms of finance as well. So we got into the niche market, and we are delving into research projects now more, which are moonshot projects.
Okay. Right.
So धीरे धीरे वो direction में जा रहे हैं, and let's see how it goes. Still
Yes.
ready to face the failures.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So if we talk about the present day of your company, so right now, what are the products or services? Anything added other than PCM?
Well, PCMs in itself is huge. So
Okay, okay.
we started with PCMs of minus 26 degrees Celsius.
Right.
But get me this. Now we have PCMs of minus 52 degrees Celsius,
Okay.
minus 33, minus 26, minus 28, minus 23, minus 13, minus 10, minus 5, minus 7,
Okay.
plus 1, plus 5, plus
Oh,
60.
right, right, right.
We've already got into those. And like it may be in terms of packaging innovations है.
Right, sir.
कि जैसे लोग पहले प्लेट्स में भर देते थे. I showed you pictures of pouches.
Yes.
Now there are potential applications where we can actually convert these PCMs into powder. So
Okay.
you can just coat a surface and it will be able to manage its temperature without any active source of electric energy.
Okay.
Those are just in terms of PCMs that we've got into. There's also a collaborative effort that we put in with someone from the United States, where we're
Right.
trying to actually convert red mud into something more usable form, which has more value. Red mud
Okay.
is a huge problem for the bauxite processing industry.
Right.
वो toxic भी बहुत होता है, तो making it into something more useful could be a game changer. Other than that, we also made gel pads. I was told by a certain physiotherapist that जेल पैड्स में जो ठंडे वाले आते हैं फ्लेमिंगो के,
Right.
they are single use. ठंडे होते हैं and you can use it for cold treatment.
Right.
And there are imported gel pads which can do cold treatments as well as कि microwave कर दो और hot treatments भी ले सकते हो. And we
Right.
took it up as a challenge and we actually made the product.
Right.
Again, I still believe we are behind in marketing and sales, but we are getting there.
Okay.
Then we've also you know, got into food processing कि freeze drying करवाया था of powder fruits, so
Right.
mango and strawberry, but there we faced some inertia in terms of कि लोग accept नहीं कर रहे थे market में, so it's on hold as of now.
Right.
और PCMs में अभी focus कर रहे हैं in terms of application.
Right. So if possible, can you
Yeah.
show with some pictures about gel pads?
About
Gel pads you just told me.
research?
No, like
Oh, gel pad. Oh, well, I don't think I have one as of now,
okay, sir.
but yeah, it's just blue color packs. Just a minute. I think I can show you something similar.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a gel pack. So this
Right.
is something we are also getting into. Reusable body warmers. So if you've been to those you know, trekking on the
Right.
colder mountain places, वहाँ पे you get these warmies which are single use. So you actually shake the pouch and you put it inside your chest pocket,
Right.
and it keeps you warm. So we come up with this reusable body warmer. So you just microwave it or maybe heat it in water for 1 to 3 minutes,
Okay.
and it has more like 3 times the energy density compared to the, you know, single use warmies.
Okay.
And
Right.
these are reusable, so you can use it for 300 cycles and it would be okay. Whereas for those warmies, you just use it once and you have to throw it out. So this is, you know, waste minimize
sir.
bhi ho jata hai.
It's a great thing.
Yeah. So gel packs are very much similar to the pouches that you see here. I wish
Okay.
I could show you pictures of it.
Sir, so any harmful or side effects of this gel pads putting inside the pocket or?
Not at all. I mean, we made sure that it is the safest, and safety is of paramount for us. कि नाम खराब नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
So what we do is making this out of very sturdy and high grade film. So even if you stand on a single pouch, it won't burst.
Okay, sir.
Try it with some other you know, regular products, and I can't assure you of anything. We've got it tested and it can withstand you know, pressures of almost 300 kgs on a single pouch before it bursts.
Okay. Okay.
So imagine 5 people standing on a single pouch and then it says, ah.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so अभी आपके present customers कौन से areas में? Like I am not asking the company name, but which field?
Cold chain logistics.
Okay.
As I told you, PCMs में market has always stuck, like as of now, market has stuck to the cold chain logistics. So -23, -52, +5, they are the hot selling products. They are the bread and butter, which are you know, fueling our passion and for research.
Right, sir.
Meanwhile, I see good applications for the +60 PCM as well. So like I showed you, we are also trying to explore more options, and we just developed the +60 PCM recently, so it's during lockdown, so we're trying to
Okay, sir.
market it more now.
Okay.
And we are trying to get above 60 now onwards. So there are other applications that we could also target.
Right. Sir, so ये food industry में ही logistics or anything else?
Could you repeat the question?
Like you said logistics, so it is used to transfer
Mhm.
things like let's say some food products. So it is like food products or anything else also.
Vaccines make a good use of it as well, or pharma products भी. बस
Okay.
imagine this कि कोई भी चीज है जिसको टेम्परेचर constantly maintain करना बहुत
Right.
जरूरी है,
Okay.
that can actually use the PCM. So it doesn't have to be restrictive कि चलो food or pharma industry, but
Right.
as of now they are the ones who have the biggest market potential, in
Right.
terms of PCM usage.
Sir, so if you don't mind telling us like how many people are there presently at your company?
Okay. Not at all. I mean, please, I'm very frank and I like openness. So anyway, so it's me, and I've got a friend of mine who's helping us with the marketing
Right.
part, and then there are shop floor workers. So based on our needs as of now, I handle the research, accounting, and operations.
Right.
Arpita, a friend of mine, she actually handles the marketing, and if need be, I'm also there to assist, and I want to learn it.
Yes,
So
sir.
I make sure कि I'm also trying to get into it, and sales में मैं focus
Yes,
कर
sir.
रहा हूँ.
So नहीं total company में like there might be a team who is looking after the production, who is looking after the machines.
Yeah.
So overall total.
Right. So two of us, as I told you, I handle the operations,
Right, sir.
but there are shop floor workers who actually do it. And
Right.
tell you what, it would be an understatement if we say they are shop floor workers. They know much more. They know much more in terms of actually making the product.
Right.
So we just tell them कि चलो ये कर दो, but
Okay.
उनका एक्सपीरियंस इतना होता है कि दे ऑलरेडी नो कि नहीं सर ये ऐसे मैं कर दूंगा तो जल्दी हो जाएगा, ये आसानी से ऐसे हो जाएगा, या फिर ये प्रॉब्लम है तो ये कर दो, ये हो जाएगा.
Right. Right.
तो उनके पास वो नॉलेज काफी रहता है, एक्सपीरियंस.
So I asked.
And so marketing is handled by Arpita, and I look after production, marketing, sales, and accounting.
If you don't mind giving the number about the workers.
Of
Workers, you said.
three.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but they are not permanent.
Right. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So like there is also a skill when like I think, and I am lacking in it, which I think at present, that you are having your own company or business and there are people working under you, right? So there should be an art to manage them or tell them work. Like even if sometimes somebody is not working properly, you can't shout and you can't be polite at the same time. What is your viewpoint on that? Or how do you make them work together?
See, you all had me at people working under me. I tell you something. The way the structure of Spectrum is organized is there is a general direction that I can provide.
Right.
I actually manage the execution कि चलो marketing में ये होना चाहिए, production करवाना है, ये करना है.
Right.
But I believe कि जितना ज़्यादा liberty and decision making democratize करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
Right, sir.
अब I may own Spectrum, but I do not own Arpita, or I do not own the shop floor workers.
Right,
and they are much more knowledgeable than me in their respective fields.
Right.
So I would be a fool if I command them.
Yes.
They are the lions in their field. So why should they be getting orders from me, right? So
right.
I make sure I am learning from them. So, but then everybody is aligned to the vision of Spectrum.
Right.
Say काम क्यों नहीं करेगा? मे बी मोटिवेशन नहीं है,
Right, sir.
या फिर मे बी यू and the respective person are not aligned in the same direction, कि आप
Right,
कुछ
right.
और सोचे, वो कुछ और सोच रहे हैं.
Mhm.
And this has happened,
Right.
कि uh, I gave a direction कि चलो this is what I expect,
Right.
but Arpita was working in some other direction,
Right, sir.
and it was bearing fruits. I was like, maybe she knows marketing much more than me. So
Yes, sir.
I didn't stop her then. But then there were certain times where I had to remind her, ki, you are good at that, but make sure you are providing me a timeline. So in
Right.
terms of sales, so
Right,
make
sir.
sure you are going towards more the commercial part. And she was, yeah, makes sense. Everybody wishes कि जो organization के लिए आप काम कर रहे हो, it goes further and further.
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
If I can convey that to Arpita and I can convey that to the shop floor workers, I think सब अच्छा decision सोचेंगे
Yes, sir.
and based on their best knowledge वो अच्छा काम करेंगे. So
Right.
when I tell the shop floor workers, यार देख, if you work, Spectrum will be running. If you
Right.
don't work, Spectrum will end the other day. I'll be working for someone else, and you'll also be trying to figure out how to work and get some work.
Right, sir.
So make sure you're doing it the right way.
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
So-
not necessary कि गुस्सा होना पड़ता है.
No, but like sometimes you can't be polite and you can't shout also. It's that condition. Which I think because like I have not yet entered this world corporate, so I don't know
Yeah.
much.
But gussa is more of a display.
Right.
Do you think कि shouting is the only way of conveying your idea?
Right.
No. If you want to convey your idea or your message, you can do it with words and in the most polite way that you can think of.
Right, sir.
Idea convey करना है ना.
Right, sir.
Conveying your displeasure doesn't
Yes.
deliver the same message as
Right.
the idea. So deliver the idea, deliver the message. Don't worry about the display. गुस्सा आता है, but make sure you are controlling it and make sure you are doing the good for Spectrum. कि गुस्सा करने से नहीं होगा, काम करना है.
Right,
Focus
sir.
on it.
Right, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So like after 4 years of starting the Spectrum, like, what are some difficulties you are facing at present? Surely not the society events at present.
No, much more comfortable in those terms now.
Right, sir.
But problems, let me think. Yeah, certainly. As we've grown, we've also started to think about more options now. So we are delving into some areas which are not even under the light now. So
Okay.
बहुत जैसे ये reusable body warmers की बात करें, there is no market for it as of now.
Right.
So जब ये सारे diversions, इतने सारे options सामने खड़े हैं, you
Right.
need to make sure you're making the right choices.
Right.
So there's problem lies कि आप अपनी energy और आप अपना time किस तरह से best use कर रहे हो.
Right, sir.
So it becomes hard कि you don't want to make wrong choices or you want to minimize the wrong choices as much
Right,
as you
sir.
can.
Right.
हो ही जाएंगी गलतियां, but you
Yes.
want to minimize it. So वो विवरिंग माइंडसेट आता है कि ये करना है या ये करना है या ये करना है या ये करना है.
Right.
But
Right.
फोकस रहना बहुत जरूरी है. And multitasking is also very troublesome. कि जैसे समझ लो अकाउंटिंग भी हैंडल करना है and then I'm also calling someone की marketing sales and at the
Right.
end of the day I'm still making some PPT कि चलो यार ये competition के लिए apply करना है तो ये भी करना है.
Right, sir. Oh, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
But being certain, this is not a question, but I want to add this. Being organized helps a lot. जब
Sir, can you,
multitasking
like,
आता है.
elaborate a
Why-
bit being organized? What do you mean by being organized?
Yeah, of course. So what happens is, चलो give you an idea कि marketing के लिए I got 4 links.
Right.
and then research के लिए I'm working on 3 leads.
Right.
And then there are certain other aspects कि accounting करना है and some finance के लिए सोचना है. There are 2 other leads. So
Right.
total 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9 leads that I need to think about, and I want to make sure कि right time पे हो जाए.
Right.
अब reminder अपने अंदर तो है नहीं, but phone में तो है.
Right, sir.
So what I do is actually I organize my day every day कि चलो ये activities है मेरे पास, इसमें से कौन सा कब time पे करना है. So I'm making notes of it कि चलो ये time पे ये हो जाना चाहिए, and I'm also setting alarms for it कि ये बजे मुझे reminder आ जाते कि ओ यार I need to get this done. So even if I'm conducting a research or I'm getting some readings done, so I get a reminder कि इनको call करना है, तो right time पे हो जाता है.
Right.
And I think that has helped me a lot क्योंकि जब multitasking होता है you cannot be sure कि सब हो जाए, but जब notes पे आ जाता है it makes sure कि आपको सब ध्यान में हो.
Right. And sir, I think multitasking will also help, like आप lead कर रहे हो अपने organization को. Like I'm not talking about your organization, but in general, there are 5 different things which are going on in your company, and if you know, if you have an idea about everything, no one can fool you, right?
Right, but
In
see,
general,
democracy. Yeah, I see your point. I see your
Yes.
point. And this is a very gray area we are talking about. Ki
Right.
some you know foolish business going on inside the company.
Mm.
But जब तक आप democratize नहीं करेंगे,
Okay.
समझ लो कि मैं ही सब चीजें कर रहा हूँ मेरी
Right.
कंपनी का, मार्केटिंग भी मैं ही कर रहा हूँ,
Right.
अकाउंट भी मैं ही लिख रहा हूँ, और जाके मटेरियल भी मैं ही बना रहा हूँ.
Right.
It's not feasible when you want to grow.
Yes, sir.
So you start involving other people. अब
Right.
क्या करें? So you want to make sure कि everybody has got the same mindset,
Right.
you know, same direction.
Right.
कि स्पेक्ट्रम को आगे लेके जाना है, मैं कैसे अपना वैल्यू ऐड कर सकता हूँ,
Right,
या
right.
मैं कैसे ग्रो करके वैल्यू ऐड करूँ.
Right, sir.
तो जैसे जैसे ग्रो होते जाते हैं और जैसे समझ लो टीम में भी काम करते हो,
Right.
so you cannot make sure कि यार your partner is doing the same work that you expect him of,
Right.
but you can make sure of this कि उसका mindset सही हो
Right.
कि
Right,
यार
sir.
we want to make this company grow.
Right.
So
sir.
democracy में ये होता है कि I'm not calling the shots on who to market to or how to market it,
Yes.
but I need to trust Arpita on that.
Right, sir.
So मतलब fooling by some other person inside the organization, I don't think we need to worry about that. Worry more about कि सबका mindset.
Right, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Sir, so like, can you tell something about the future? Like, what are the products you are thinking or services that can be added in your future?
uh, all right. Well, some products are under development, and I'm sorry I can't give out the
Right.
information on those, like two
Right, right.
particular products, because we're in the process of filing a patent for it.
Right, right. sir.
But as I told you about reusable body warmers,
Okay.
like not a big deal for India, but definitely for the campers and people who go hiking, or talk about the Western countries and the European nations where they
Right.
are suffering from severe lower temperatures. Like I was in Michigan and the temperatures used to drop to -40, and I know
Oh.
how cold it is. I've
Yes, sir.
felt it firsthand.
Right.
तो जब वहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल फील करवा सकते हैं तो it's a plus.
Yes, sir.
And we are also something that we're thinking of. We want to get into coatings. Coat a building wall, and the temperature of outside, which is like 45 or almost 48 degrees Celsius in Ahmedabad,
Right.
is not the same as temperature inside. कि PCMs के कारण जो coating किया, the temperature of the room inside stays much lower, so 5 degrees 10 degrees Celsius का difference.
Okay. Right.
तो जो बिल्डिंग्स गर्म हो जाती है, रोड्स गर्म हो जाते हैं, आपकी कार गर्म हो जाती है, वो ना हो,
Right.
उसके लिए कोटिंग्स के ऊपर काम कर रहा है.
So like
Let's see.
as compared, like I don't know very much science behind, but like ACs, we study at every level that they generate some gases which are harmful, right? So in
Yeah.
in that way, are these better?
These are better in terms of energy storage.
Okay.
Now tell you what, they don't liberate gases and those
Yes.
sort.
Right.
Yeah. So but this is more of a clean energy. तो ये समझ लो कि चलो कोई भी फोन की बैटरी है.
Right, sir.
It starts overheating, so
Yes.
it degrades.
Right.
And आपको इतना एनर्जी स्टोर नहीं करता है. It drains more power than it's supposed to store. And say उसकी लाइफ साइकिल रिड्यूस हो जाती है.
Yes, sir.
से उसकी जगह आप बैटरीज के साथ you're using PCMs, तो उसका टेम्परेचर रन अवे नहीं होने देता है.
Okay.
What happens is कि उसकी लाइफ एक्सपेंड हो जाएगी. So जो वो 1000 साइकिल्स तक चल रहा था, it will run to 1300 cycles, 1500 cycles.
Right.
It's a good improvement, right? So it reduces the waste by its own methods.
Right, sir.
So this is more like energy storage and like electric energy storage में अभी अपने पास बहुत सारे solutions है. Lithium ion batteries are the biggest example.
Right, sir.
But there are no commercially available thermal energy storage solutions.
Okay. Right.
And why not? आज कोई कंप्लेन करता है कि यार मुझे बहुत ठंडी लग रही है, मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है.
Right, sir.
So I think we are already working, or we already have the science for it.
Right.
But
Right.
do we have the products?
No.
No. So we want to make sure कि ये जो products है ऐसे deliver करें, which has a bigger impact, which
Right, sir.
has which touches every life.
Right.
Yeah.
So, sir, how many times can we use that ECM? Like, I don't know how it's working, but if you can tell.
Right. See, well, it all depends on the PCM. So now, PCM in general is not like A and B or A, B, and C.
Right.
Every PCM has got A, B, X, A, B, C, D,
Right. Right.
E, F, G, H, I.
Okay.
Everything's got a different composition. So their life cycles are not the same. But in general, they can service for 10 years at least, 5 to 10 years.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
And they can be extended as well. But
Right.
I'm giving you a general idea. 5-10 years, so there is no problem to it.
Okay. So, like, first we need to give energy to that, and then they'll provide energy.
Exactly.
Right. Right.
Electric energy में यही होता है कि you
Yes,
plug a charger
Mhm.
and the battery starts storing electric energy and then gives you out when you're on the go.
Right.
This does the same thing. It stores thermal energy,
Right.
and then it gives it out to you whenever you want it.
So, sir, like, वो जो आपने एक बार एनर्जी फील की, वो कितने टाइम तक रहती है? Like, I am going in the direction that why are we not replacing ACs with this when they are not emitting? So there might be कि रोज रिसाइकल करना पड़ रहा है, ये दिक्कत है. So you might be thinking ये साइंस क्यों पूछ रहा है?
No, I'm open to any questions. હું પણ બહુ જિજ્ઞાસુ છું. એટલે I like when people are asking questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there are solutions to it. Now think about this. The daytime temperature in Ahmedabad is 48 degrees Celsius, and the nighttime temperatures are falling to 30 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Think about a PCM which is working at 32 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
तो जब रात के टाइम में ठंडा हो जाता है, it will start storing energy. ठंडा हो जाएगा. And when the sunlight comes out, the sun's in 48 degrees Celsius, पूरा blast कर रहा है. तो night time की जो thermal energy store हुई है, it will keep the walls cooler.
Right.
So it won't let the heat come in. Like there will be some runaways की window खुली है वगैरह, but
Right.
most of it comes from the concrete.
Okay.
वो control हो जाएगा.
Right.
So अंदर का temperature बहुत कम रहेगा.
Right.
So like that's a good application, and the same thing can go for metal coatings as well. कि जब समझ लो cars है, you coat it. तो जैसे
Right.
समझ लो आप धूप में रख देते कार, and
Right.
जैसे अंदर आते हैं कि you are like पूरा hot air से blast हो रहा है, ऐसा हो जाता है. तो ये
Right.
नहीं होगा.
Right. Sir, so why have
So we are working in
okay? Why
we are
have them
working in those directions. Yeah, I think your question is why are there not commercial
replaced?
available
Yeah.
solutions, right?
Yes, sir.
There have been problems.
Okay.
People have tried several solutions,
Okay.
but people have made the mistake of generalizing PCM.
Okay.
To give you an idea, if I use the PCMs over here, like for Ahmedabad,
Right.
is the temperature profile suited for? Is the temperature profile of PCM suited for Ahmedabad? Is the same PCM going to be used in Michigan?
No, no,
Not the
definitely
same
not.
thing.
Yes, sir.
So I believe people have made mistakes on those fronts. So and it's a very tricky situation. We've thought of certain solutions where we think we can actually bypass these problems and actually reach the people.
Right.
When when data can be personalized, when Google has been personalized to every individual user, why not PCMs? We'll make sure we're doing that,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
right?
Yes, sir. So, sir, like
Mhm.
the last thing I wanted to ask, like, what if you can tell the future scopes in
Uh-huh.
similar or related fields to chemical engineering, जिसमें जो प्रेजेंट केमिकल इंजीनियर्स है वो स्टार्टअप के लिए सोच सकते हैं या फिर जिसका पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है और एक्सप्लोर इतना नहीं हुआ.
Well, okay. Clean energy is going to be a very pressing point in the future.
Okay.
The way global warming and other environmental problems are cropping up, it feels we're not making good progress in those fronts. And
Okay.
जैसे time जाता जाएगा, the
Right.
problems will just aggravate, and there will be much bigger needs in terms of environmental engineering, in terms of cleaner energy.
Okay, sir.
So there's scope in that. Food processing.
Okay.
India is growing very rapidly, and it's changing its image from just an agrarian country to a much more developing or a much more higher society.
Right, sir.
So people have changing habits. People also have cravings. People need better products.
Right, sir.
So food processing is also good. India में बहुत कम होता है.
Okay.
In terms of other chemicals, make sure you're following your passion though.
Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah. Just do not follow जो इंटरनेट पे बताता है कि चलो इसमें स्कोप अच्छा है.
Right,
It's not
sir.
gonna suit you.
Right, right.
आज मुझे आके कोई बताएगा कि चलो go for XYZ production, huge scope for it.
Right.
Is it really my passion?
Okay, right.
क्योंकि करना अगर वो है तो 5 years or 10 years or 15 years that I dedicate, I
Yes,
want to
yes.
make sure कि at the end of the day I feel happy कि चलो आज मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया और चलो
Right,
आज
sir, right.
मैंने ऐसा किया कि जो मुझे पसंद है.
Right, sir.
So and the current situations, I think the solutions are already out there, but the
Okay.
problem is defining the problem statement.
Okay.
Problem statement define करो and then look for solutions. So just for definition के लिए keep your eyes open. आपको कहीं दिखता है कि चलो यार ये problem है, people are struggling to find a way around it,
Right.
then you already have a solution in hand.
Right, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, by defining a problem, you also get a direction key. Then you jump onto a solution better.
Of course, and think about this. It's gonna be more sellable.
Yes.
अब समझ लो कॉलेज तक कैसा होता है कि you are already defined a problem and
Yes.
then you find an answer which is very black or white.
Yes, sir.
When you're getting into the business side or your career side, ये होता है कि problem definition ही नहीं होता है. You have to define the problem,
Right, sir.
and we've not got into the habit of defining a problem.
Okay.
तो वो थोड़ा सीखना पड़ता है कि अरे यार keep your eyes open. I think ये problem है,
Right.
and it needs to be a valid point.
Okay.
फिर then you find the right direction.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah.
So like most of the, like, there is no such big audience, but जो है mostly are undergrad students. So something you would like to tell them.
अरे अंडर ग्रेजुएट वाले या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वाले?
पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट नहीं देखेंगे मुझे.
नहीं तो उस हिसाब से बताओ ना. इफ देयर आर अंडर ग्रेजुएट,
Okay, sir, for both.
जस्ट एंजॉय योर टाइम.
No, sir.
नहीं असं.
अच्छा, we'll take both, sir.
जस्ट टुडे आई वाज लिसनिंग. एक तो फन साइड भी मैं बताऊंगा. देखो, आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू प्रतीक कुहद सॉन्ग्स टुडे.
Okay, sir.
And all of a sudden, all I could think of was the happy memories that I made during college time.
Right,
So
sir.
make sure you're having the right amount of fun.
Right, sir.
क्योंकि memories याद आएगी तो अच्छी वाली हो तो ज्यादा अच्छा है ना, blank
Yes, sir.
होने से.
Right. Like sir, हमारा एक
And
सेमेस्टर कोरोना में गया है.
I tell like जो 12th पास जो स्टूडेंट्स है as of now, उनको
Yes,
यही बताओ, you know what your biggest loss is?
sir.
आपकी
One
एग्जाम
semester.
खींची वो नहीं, आपका कॉलेज का एक साल चला गया. You lost it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But see, मतलब there needs to be a good balance कि आप चलो enjoy भी कर रहे हैं. But then for me the awakening was quite late in the in my time. But make sure कि आपको पता चल जाए आपको क्या करना है, and you are working in that line. And I'm so pleased when I see people like you, Karan, कि आप अभी से ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि I want to do something. And I saw your profile as well, which gives me great pleasure कि I know people of your sort जिनको ये छोटी उम्र में भी they want to make a difference. They are making their best.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope you have a good time when you're not doing this work.
Yes, sir, definitely. Not at present, but when I'm at college.
Right. Yeah, I still know there's a good houseware place right out SVNIT.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, definitely.
Yeah. Right. And so make sure कि आप अपना passion define कर रहे हो. It doesn't necessarily have to be कि आप business में ही जाओ. If you want to get into administrative services, go for it.
Right.
If you want to get into some teaching profession, go for it. But ऐसा ना हो कि आपको कोई बता रहा है और आप इसके कारण डिसीजन ले रहे हो.
Right.
ऐसा करो कि आपको भी मजा आ रहा है.
Right, sir.
तो बस नॉट नेसेसरी कि सबको सेम करना है, बट जो करना है सबको अच्छा लगना चाहिए खुद को.
Right. So for postgraduate.
Right? Bhai, you are already in a later phase of career. Make sure you're working hard. No fun. Just kidding. Make sure you got the proper balance. And given the current situation, everybody's scared कि क्या होगा future में. But सबका figure out हो ही जाता है.
Right, sir.
You know कि say when you're playing cricket और आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो, if you know the bowler is really good, you need to make sure कि आप डिफेंड कर रहे हो.
Right.
आप वहां पे भी छक्के मारने जाओगे तो you'll get out.
Right.
So this is such a situation where the world is throwing curve balls.
Right.
In swings आ रहे हैं, out swings हो रहे हैं.
Right, sir.
So make sure कि you are just staying safe and playing it safe.
Right.
इसमें घबराने वाली बात नहीं है.
Right.
तो सिचुएशन जैसी आती है, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि ऐसा रहेगा ही. और मे बी हु नोज ऐसी सिचुएशन ही प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन करती है कि लाइक पीपल हैव कम आउट विद इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशंस ऑन हाउ टू sanitize certain areas or sanitize certain items. Great solutions, and I'm very happy people look at the problem as a problem and they're trying to find a solution.
Exactly.
So opportunities could be out there, right under your nose. तो राइट माइंडसेट रहेगा, आप टेंस रहोगे तो नहीं मिलेगा, तो मेक श्योर कि आप काम हो। और अल्टीमेटली क्या चाहिए, खाने को थोड़ा सा फूड और रात को सोने के लिए जगह।
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Right? So even to the postgraduates, passion figure out कर लो and everything's gonna be okay.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Right? All right. Anything else, Karan, that I could help you with?
No, sir.
All
sir.
right. Well, I please, you go.
No, sir.
I was just saying it's been a great time and all those
Yeah.
good things.
I was also
I
going
had
to just say
fun and thank you.
same thing. Thank you, Raj,
Well,
sir, for being here.
let's make it informal.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Let's make it informal. No need of those things. I am very happy that you are doing such work and keep working hard.
Yes.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Okay.